So, hello everyone, welcome back. Another video of interview. So this is session with ChatGPT. So, this is such topic about uh, how I did make 1 million with AI dollar. How I did make $1 million with AI in 2026 zero code and zero knowledge. So, basically, start this session to wait, note, like start and screen sharing. I have everyone 1 minute for everyone. I have connect on ChatGPT on voice everyone. Okay, so hello ChatGPT, how are you?
I'm doing great. What's on your mind?
My mind is not just a very well done. So basically, my first question is for you. Basically, if you had to make a $1 million with AI in 2026, where should you to start?
Hmm. Let me think for a sec. If I were starting from scratch, I'd probably build AI agents for businesses, not just chatbots, but agents that can do scheduling, reporting, automations, that kind of stuff. Start with services, get paid to build solutions, then productize the repeatable parts into a SaaS tool. Combine that with content like YouTube videos showing how AI can save companies time, and you've got multiple income streams growing over time.
Okay, bro. So my next question is for you. Basically, can someone with zero coding skill realistic build a 1 million AI business?
Hmm. Yes, but not without learning some problem solving skills. You don't have to be a programmer, but you do need to understand enough to automate workflows and stitch together tools. No code can get you started, but to reach serious revenue, you'll either learn basics over time or partner with a developer. The $1 million part usually comes from niche selection, solving an expensive real problem and charging monthly, not one time fees.
Okay, ChatGPT bro. So my next question is for you basically. Bro, my next question is for you basically. What is the biggest AI business opportunity in 2026? The most people are ignoring.
Hmm. I'd say vertical AI agents, like building AI employees for specific industries, are underappreciated. Think dentists, logistics firms, law offices, small businesses. Most are still doing manual scheduling, invoices, customer emails, the boring stuff that AI automates really well. The winners will bundle those automations into easy subscriptions, not sell generic chatbots. It's less about the model and more about wrapping it into a solution businesses will pay for.
For you basically, my next question is for you. Which AI services can a beginner set without knowledge and knowing how to decode?
Let me think. You can start with simple services: AI chatbot setup, AI content writing, AI customer support automation, AI workflow automation, like connecting Gmail, Sheets, and calendars. Also, AI research and summarization for companies, AI presentation making, AI image generation for social posts. Just be sure you're honest about your level and only take on what you can deliver reliably.
So my next question is for you basically, ChatGPT. How can I use AI toolkit to complete business without hiring developers?
Hmm, let me check. You can use an AI toolkit by combining a language model with automation platforms and no code databases. So, for example, AI handles, yeah, it's 12:25 p.m. right now.
Okay, so my next question
Still
is
here.
for you basically. My next question is for you basically. What type of AI agency will you start today if your goal was to reach $1 million? Like,
Hmm. If I wanted to build a $1 million AI agency, I'd focus on one niche. So, for example, an AI automation agency for small and medium businesses. You could set up AI customer support, lead follow ups, appointment scheduling, proposal generation, and tool integrations. Then charge a setup fee plus a monthly management fee. And once that gets profitable, build software to package those automations into a SaaS tool. Basically, focus on clear ROI for clients, time saved, costs cut, or revenue increased.
my next question is for you basically. Like, how can AI automation help a small business save money and increase your revenue basically?
Let me check that. Okay. Skills I'd focus on: AI prompting, automation tools, basic coding understanding, business analysis, sales, marketing, and project management. AI can save a small business money by handling customer support 24/7, auto scheduling appointments, qualifying leads, generating documents faster, reducing manual data entry, and speeding up marketing campaigns. For example, instead of hiring more admin staff, AI automations can handle repetitive tasks, which lowers labor costs and frees humans for higher value work.
Next question is for you basically ChatGPT. What are the best AI powered services I could sell for $500 to $5,000 per client?
Let me see. For $500 to $5,000 per client, the strongest services usually show clear ROI. So, AI customer support setup, AI sales automation, custom AI knowledge assistants trained on a company's documents, AI workflow automation connecting their tools, AI content engines for marketing teams, and AI reporting dashboards for management. Most clients pay that range if you can prove the savings. If I started from zero, I'd package one clear offer like AI business automation package with setup plus monthly support and target industries like real estate, dental clinics, law firms, and e commerce, where saving staff hours every week is worth paying for.
Thank you very much, ChatGPT, for coming. And first of all, ChatGPT, please a last message for my viewers and for me.
Sure, don't wait for perfect. Learn in public, build small wins, charge fairly, and let results stack up. Keep learning, keep shipping. Consistency compounds faster than talent. That's the game.
ChatGPT for thank you very much for coming and having for this session for me. Okay, and first of all, ChatGPT is live everyone. And my last message for you, like this session is not about like just money. And this is all my YouTube channel, all my Facebook series, like 20 series I have completed on how to make earning with AI, how to make business with AI. So 20 series, you are completely right. How to make earn. So this is profit. How to make profit with your business and how to make your sales agent. How to make your customer to client hunting. So all my services. So if you had only a laptop and internet connection and AI tools actually to mold you to try to reach $1 million in 2026 your ability. So let's start without wasting time and Allah Hafiz Pakistan Zindabad everyone. Allah Hafiz.